Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into the latest updates and news surrounding the 2025 Ford Transit. This iconic van has undergone significant changes, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. First off, let's talk about the new factory-installed trade packages Ford is offering for the 2025 Transit and e-Transit models. These packages are tailored for specific industries, including electricians, HVAC professionals, general contractors, and delivery services. Each package comes equipped with specialized shelving, drawers, and work surfaces designed to meet the unique needs of these trades. What's more, these upfits can be financed together with the vehicle purchase, streamlining the process and eliminating the need for separate financing. Plus, they come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, ensuring peace of mind for business owners and fleet managers. In addition to the trade packages, Ford has introduced new options to enhance the Transit's functionality. These include a wall liner kit, which covers the ceiling, walls, and doors, providing better insulation and aiding in the installation of upfit equipment. There's also a large grab handles kit, mounted on the D-pillars, to support easier accessibility, especially for those frequently entering and exiting the cargo area. Now, let's discuss the powertrain options. The 2025 Transit continues to offer both gas and electric versions, giving customers the freedom to choose what best suits their business needs. The e-Transit, Ford's all-electric variant, has been updated with a standard 89 kWh battery, replacing the previous 68 kWh option. This upgrade not only extends the driving range but also enhances overall performance, making it a more viable option for businesses aiming to reduce their carbon footprint. On the production front, Ford has scheduled the manufacturing of the 2025 Transit and e-Transit to begin on January 21, 2025, at the Kansas City assembly plant. This timeline aligns with Ford's commitment to delivering these updated models to customers promptly, ensuring businesses can plan their fleet upgrades accordingly. When it comes to pricing, Ford has set the starting MSRP for both the 2025 e-Transit and comparable Transit cargo van models at $51,000. The e-Transit chassis cab starts at $46,200, and the e-Transit Cutaway begins at $45,700. These pricing structures are designed to provide value while offering the advanced features and capabilities that customers expect from the Transit lineup. In terms of performance, the 2025 Transit models have seen notable improvements. For instance, the gross combined mass, GCM, and brake towing capacity have increased across various configurations. The 350L LWB front-wheel drive van now boasts a GCM of 6,000 kg and a brake towing capacity of 2,750 kg, while the rear-wheel drive variant offers a GCM of 7,000 kg and a towing capacity of 3,500 kg. These enhancements make the Transit more capable of handling heavy loads, catering to